Hello, this presentation is for anyone who missed the human body systems notes on homeostasis, or anyone who just wants to go back and watch it again, get some information that you may have missed the first time. So we started with homeostasis. And if you have your note-taking guide, you should be filling this out as you watch this presentation, or if you've already filled it out, it really would be a good idea to be looking at it and reviewing as you listen, just to make sure you didn't miss something the first time. Homeostasis is the maintenance of a stable internal environment in the body. That would be the official definition of homeostasis that you could write on your note-taking guide. And what it means is that your body is continually making adjustments. That's the first blank in the next sentence. Your body continually makes adjustments to keep all of your systems at normal levels. And the example I used is that it's sort of like a thermostat. If you've ever messed with a thermostat in your house, you know that when the temperature goes down, which is what we call negative feedback, whenever the temperature goes down, it sends a signal. This thermostat sends a signal to the heater that says, turn on, it's getting too cold in here. And if the temperature goes up, positive feedback, then it sends a signal to the air conditioner and it says, turn on, it's getting too warm in here. And there's all these different parts of your body that are involved to keep everything inside at a stable set point. That's the phrase they use in this video that we're going to talk about later. And it all is controlled by a part of your brain, this tiny little part in the center here called the hypothalamus. And that's also on your note-taking guide. The part of your brain that controls homeostasis is called the hypothalamus. So the hypothalamus is in charge of, or it regulates, temperature, thirst, hunger, sleep, mood, and hormone levels, among other things. But these are some of the most common things that is regulated by the hypothalamus. If you are thirsty, you feel these symptoms of a dry mouth, and you have this desire, this urgency to want to drink some fluids. And that is because the hypothalamus sensed the water levels getting low, and it said, we need more water. When you're hungry, when your body needs more fuel, more energy, it sends a signal to your stomach to start growling, and you feel this desire to eat. Same thing with sleep. You start yawning. Mood, you're in a good mood, you're in a bad mood. It's all regulated by the hypothalamus. And then hormones, and those are all hormones, because hormones are more than just those things that cause you problems in puberty. Hormones are how your body sends signals to all the other organs. There's hormones released from the brain, there's hormones released from certain glands throughout your body, and they send a signal, and that signal starts something happening somewhere else. I said that it's like if your brain is the boss of a big company and they are on the top floor of a big giant tower, they might send an email to the guy on the first floor and says, hey, I need you to deliver the mail. Or they might send an email to someone in the middle floor that says, hey, business is not doing well, we need to have a meeting. That the brain does that. Those emails for the brain are hormones. So at this point, we finished writing notes about homeostasis, and there's a video you should watch. I'm not going to record a video of the video. I'm going to pause this part of the note-taking here, and then we also paused this part of the note-taking in class to watch this video, which you should watch. It's about 8 minutes long. It's very helpful. It kind of gives you a bunch of different things that could go wrong with our hypothalamus, especially when we get a fever, when our body temperature goes too high on purpose. And then there's a link after that where you can play the part of a hypothalamus. You can see how easy it is to keep all these different things regulated. There's a link for this in RomanNet. Then it's called Body Control Center is the name of the link on RomanNet. Or if you downloaded these notes on your own, you can just click on this and it's a hyperlink. It will open up on a new page and you launch the interactive from there. After we took these notes, the homework is an Amoeba Sisters video. It's Amoeba Sisters Homeostasis. There's a worksheet in Shobi, and the worksheet is also on RomanNet, and the link to the video is on RomanNet. So you should do that for homework after you've finished watching this video and doing this interactive. Thank you very much.